Hi, my name is David Hernandez. I'm founding principal of Jersey Memorial Group. We own and operate 6 funeral homes throughout the area. I had some issues with some of my current systems, and he came in and was able to give us some ideas that I liked and ideas that would keep us competitive, especially with some of the changing nature in our clients' needs and demands for their services. CSAV, Glenn and his team remodeled some of my current systems to make them more proficient and brought up the technologies. Also started a system from scratch, from design all the way through to installation in some of my newer buildings. And in one of my buildings completely took out the entire system and added a brand new system. Services now are experiences and celebrations of life, so to be able to have the audio and visual capabilities to service the client's needs, whether it be through slideshows, videos, even the webcasting, through the cameras that you guys can install. It's all part of that experience that the families are looking for. So having updated sound, video, and audio is just so important. My experience with CSAV has always been great. The team is extremely professional, starting with Glenn, the initial meetings, the design, the implementation, to the coordinating with our schedules. Our schedules are very, very hectic here, so they've always been very accommodating to work around our family's needs. We're a professional environment. The gentlemen and ladies that come in are always so professional and polite and extremely flexible. So our experience with them has been great. And we're a very difficult client to deal with because of our changing schedules, so they've been able to work around that, and that's been paramount to the installation success. Yes, I absolutely would recommend CSAV for anybody from just needing an updated system, if you need a complete overhaul, or just to review your system in general. They know everything about our industry and they've learned our industry, so it's a great asset to be able to rely on folks. I'd like to thank CSAV for helping us in all of our funeral homes. Look forward to updating some of these technologies and seeing what the future holds.